Economic worries drag down stocks today, with only the NASDAQ index able to produce a small gain. Courtney Donohoe has the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Courtney.
Well, stocks falling again today. Second weekly drop for the S&P, down about 12% from this year's high back in April. And some traders saying it's day two of that disappointing jobless claims number, plus energy stocks getting hammered today. One of the worst performing groups, oil falling now at a 6-week low, and the continuing rough economic news pushing crude lower. Oil right now in the $73 range, and inventories, they're at 20-year highs, and there's worries that demand for gas is going to continue to slow because of all the unemployment in the U.S. And it's looking like it's going to be another tough week for oil next week. A survey by Bloomberg News showing that 39% of analysts believe that oil will continue to drop next week, and that's a majority in the survey. And also, speaking of energy, onshore oil drillers, they too were particularly slammed in today's session. Stern, AG and Leach cutting the oil drillers to neutral from buy. Helmerich and Payne, Nabors Industries, and Patterson UTI all falling today. Analysts see rising service costs, and this contributing to the broader decline that we saw within energy stocks. Telecom and industrials also struggling in today's session too.
Now, Courtney, another report out today about the U.S. job market. What does it have?
Well, there are some positive signs there. Employers adding jobs in 37 states in July. That's an improvement from June. And strong news for Michigan, and that state particularly hit hard during the recession. Big jump for the state. More than 27,000 jobs added last month. The majority of the gain was because of an increase in factory jobs, and that could be because of a gain in auto jobs. Massachusetts also saw an increase of more than 19,000 jobs all across the board in hotels, restaurants, retail, and manufacturing. And New York and Minnesota rounded out the top four. But we got to keep in mind, factory jobs may fall now with all the regional reports that we've been getting pointing to a slowdown in manufacturing.
Now, Courtney, with all the difficult news having to do with the economy, something affecting the price of pizza. The next time you order it, it actually might be a little less expensive. Yeah,
well, Pizza Hut's pizzas are going on sale. The chain plans to introduce a campaign on Sunday for new low prices on its menu. Well, medium pizzas are going to cost $8. Large pizzas are going to be $10. And the specialty pizzas, like the Big Italy pizza, is going to cost about $12. But back in February, Pizza Hut offered the $10 promotion for any pizza, any size, any crust, any toppings for $10. And the New York Times, they spoke to executives, and they said that that promotion definitely helped business. But right now, companies, they need to do what they can to counteract with the slowing economy. So we may end up seeing more promotion like that very soon. I'm getting very hungry.
All right. Thank you very much. Courtney Donohoe reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.